Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at Paper Cut by TCC and Elvis Zheng. You tear off a sheet of paper from a notepad, have the paper signed, then cut it up to reveal a spectator selected animal, famous person or landmark, or a happy birthday greeting. The paper cut can then be given away as a souvenir. This is a version of the Phantom Artist from Annemann's Practical Mental Magic. You might be familiar with the version The 21st Century Phantom popularized by Oz Pearlman. It blends mind reading with the art of paper cutting. The art of paper cutting is an actual thing and is one of the oldest folk arts in China. Do a search on YouTube to learn more about it. You could also include this fun fact as part of your script and patter. It comes in a white cardboard box. The tutorial link is on the seal on the back of the box. I read in the Facebook group that some of the boxes do not come with a seal. In this case, you can check your TCC Magic account or contact TCC Magic on Facebook to get the link to the tutorial video. There are 4 cutout designs. You get 10 of each design in each pad. Technically, this is enough for 40 performances. However, the way this is set up, each pad can only be set up to perform once each time. There is a one-time initial setup for you to set up the pad for either a left-hand or right-handed person. The setup is quite clever and makes this effect self-contained, so you can display your hands quite cleanly during the performance. As the pad gets thinner from use, my guess is it will be harder to conceal the setup. If you intend to perform this regularly, I suggest getting more than one pad so that you can transfer some of the sheets over to refill the pad. You would have to pry open the rings on top here, but it is not difficult. The tutorial is 30 minutes long. It goes through the setup, basic handling, the basic routine, and how to have your spectator select his or her choice. You can use your favorite method as well, like the change bag, Svengali pad, and so on. Then there is a bonus routine, where you draw something on a blank sheet. At the end of the routine, when you hand out the cutout to the audience, the drawing is still on the cutout. The effect is not hard to do and does not require any complicated slides. Take a look at the performance trailer on the website. What you see in the performance is exactly what it will look like. Because you are acting like you are actually cutting up the paper, the effect would take a little bit of time. The part where you are actually cutting up the paper may be dead time. You will have to find something to say during this time. My suggestion about paper cutting being a folk art in China may be inserted here. I would have preferred that the notepad be made out of white paper instead of this brown paper, but this is a minor nitpick. The paper cut retails for about USD 20. It is available directly from the TCC website and also comes in 2-pack or 3-pack. Hope this review was helpful. My name is Zheng. Check out the other videos on my channel and thank you for watching.